Beautiful golf course right there. Every home has a golf view. As you can see, this is a brand new house. We're about 60 days out. We can push them up a little bit, but not much. This is a Palladino with the 3rd stall garage. The Palladino is a little bit further behind, probably about a week to 2 weeks. It's going to be kind of hard to get the idea in here. I'm going to send the floor plans and we'll keep watching this one. But all construction's all started. Big boy house, beautiful layout. I'm in the kitchen right now. In the kitchen, island right there, arch ceiling, big tall ceilings. Again, a beautiful golf view. Bathrooms, bedrooms. This one's kind of hard to tell what it is until they get to drywall up. But it's gonna be really nice. This one here, this is a little setting area in the master. See how they bring the ceiling down to kind of break it off a little bit. I like how they did the tray ceiling. It's gonna be nice. And we'll walk through here. This is how they do the sun tunnels. Master bath. That's gonna be water closet, big shower as you can see, big tub, and then vanities, walk-in closet. That's gonna be it. It's kind of hard to tell. We'll send it anyway. Beautiful, beautiful layout though.